This should have my voice this time. You can take a look at the screen. I'm 1,000 meters out, which is a kilometer. Like basically 2 laps around a track and then another half lap. And right now I'm just gonna quickly come to my hotel. I'm going 100 meters every 8 seconds, which is pretty freaking fast. I'm really high right now, so let's look down at the ocean. You can see the battery right now, the satellites on the upper right part. This is the gimbal. I'm controlling the pitch, and I can even zoom in. Take a look. Zooming out. I'm 600 meters away. I'm gonna go a little bit lower. See, I put this crosshair on the screen so I can see where I'm going better. So if I keep going straight, I'll just come perfectly to my hotel. So yeah, there's a bunch of hotels over there on the beach. There's some really nice resorts up here, which are like Radisson Blue. And then some other nice villas over there. Ours is exactly right here on the crosshair. I'm gonna start coming down. I'm 70 meters up, which is like 200 feet. Alright, and from what I've learned, it's really not close until you're like 100 meters or so. You can't even see anything before that. Like, you cannot see the drone coming. I'm gonna go down a bit. Yeah, I really like having that crosshair. I should be able to see it soon, and you should be able to see me. Let's take a look. Hi there, I'm really high. Coming down, try not to disturb any neighbors. And now the hard part, landing. I'm gonna go over here. When the drone is facing you, it's basically reverse controls. So I'm gonna just go slow and careful. Hopefully no monkeys jump on it. I'm gonna turn it around so it's easier for me to land.
Landing.